Dera Natung Government's College today observes the 20th anniversary of former Minister late Dera Natung at its campus today. Late Dera Natung was born on July 1, 1964 to Sipai Natung and Yache Natung at Vio village of Iskaming district. He did his schooling from Sainik School in Pal and senior secondary from Government Higher Secondary School Bomdila. He founded the All Nisi Students Union in 1982 and also was the first General Secretary of All Iskaming District Students Union in 1983. He also served as a program officer in All India Radio Itanagar from 1986 to 1989. Late Dera Natung was elected as member of Legislative Assembly from 12 Pakikesang Assembly constituency for 3 consecutive terms since 1989. He also held several important portfolios such as Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, IPR and Printing, Tourism, Arts and Culture, Social Welfare, Fisheries and Education. He also served as Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee President from 1998 till early 2001. In education sector of the state, he was instrumental in opening science stream in DNGC, that is Dera Natung Government's College, and had keenly nurtured its growth and development. On his noble mission for revamping the education sector as minister, he was heading towards Bomdila, where he died in a chopper crash near Balapung on 8 May 2001. In recognition to his immense contribution towards the society, especially in the field of education, the Dera Natung Government's College was named after him on 27 May 2001 by the state government.
Since early childhood, though he belonged to early family, he belonged to very humble family. Since his early childhood, he exhibited exemplary and legendary form of commitment, dedication and confidence. And this is why, despite not having much wealth, riches, he could transform all his dreams into reality. In his school days, college days, university days, and even beyond that, he emerged very effective, successful achiever, leaders of various students' unions and organizations. In the year he was product of Sainik School, Imphal, Manipur. His schooling occurred there, and then he graduated, securing honors in political science with very high percentage of marks from Jain College, Pasighat. And in 1986, he achieved master's degree in same subject, that is political science, from Punjab University, Chandigarh, because at that time we didn't have any university in our state. In master's degree exam also he excelled. He proved that leadership is not an obstacle in studies, and did well in both studies also and leadership. And then just after 3 years of master's degree, he became member of Legislative Assembly first time in 1989, and since then consecutively 3 times he represented the Pride constituency, 12 Pakikesang Assembly constituency, 3 consecutive terms. And after being elected, as he deserved, he was crowned with several portfolio, and wherever he became minister, he headed the department. He brought lots of transformation. He was a visionary figure, a legendary in true sense. He became minister IPR, games, sports, youth affairs, fisheries, social welfare, and of course education. While being education minister, in his noble mission to survey the sites for institutions in Tawang and this Bomdila, unfortunately on this day, that is 8 May 2001, he left us for heavenly abode. His demise, sudden demise, that too on noble mission, on duty to survey the sites for institution near Bhalukpong, brought a shock wave across the every nook and corner of the state, because this was an irreparable loss for entire state, for entire Arunachal Pradesh. He was a household name, and across the party lines, across the community lines, across the district lines, all Arunachalis loved him. All Arunachalis had deep reverence and respect for Dera Natung. And so far higher education is concerned, he brought innovative changes. He pioneered the cause of a transformation to higher education, and during his tenure as education, colleges and universities all continued growing, developing. And so far this college is concerned, he had soft corner for this college, and he gave many things to this college, and the college shall ever remain grateful to the departed soul for his illustrious contribution. And this is why the government, the state, keeping in account his tremendous contribution to the growth of higher education, to the growth of colleges and universities in the state, this college was named after him with a notification issued on 27th May 2001 as Dera Natung College. So this is the literary floral tribute and homage to Dera Natung, who is now legendary. Though he has departed, he is still in our heart, and he shall remain. He has become immortal by virtue of his great deeds and actions.
वो काफी एक legendary, उन्होंने जो नोबल जो काम किया, and the college days में, and after becoming this legislature assembly as a elected representative, वो अपना जो 12 Pakistan constituency से, and he was the first ANSU president. was the founder of the ANSU, All India Student Union. और उसके बाद वो ANSU president बनने के बाद then he was the program radio All India radio program officer also. उन्होंने उसका लाइफ में जिंदगी में बहुत ही एक समाज के लिए एक प्रेरणा का काम किया और बहुत एग्जाम्पलरी, और एजुकेशन क्षेत्र में काफी उन्होंने काम किया और सोसाइटी के लिए, समाज के लिए. एंड 2001 को हेलीकॉप्टर जो शीशा में क्रैश हुआ, आज का दिन में क्योंकि उसका EMRS स्कूल, एकलव्य मॉडल रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल, वो पूरा प्रदेश भर में 2 डेज वो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर रहा, तो उसका भारत सरकार से 2 स्कूल को मार्क किया, जिसमें से एक तवांग में और एक इस्कामिंग में. उस स्कूल को सर्वे के लिए वो यहाँ से हेलीकॉप्टर में आज का दिन में उन्होंने दिखने के लिए अपना एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी संगेला दिन और साथ में कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का हिंदुस्तान टाइम का भी कुछ लोग थे. हाँ, तो वो जाकर बाना और वेस्ट कामिंग सर्वे के लिए गया. आज का दिन ही उन्होंने ध्यान हुआ. स्वर्गीय लेट डेरा नातुंग बहुत ही अच्छा और समाज के लिए और हम सब अरुणाचल के लिए एक एग्जाम्पलरी, एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पलरी और डेवलपमेंट में किस दिशा दशा में काम करना उन्होंने देकर गई. तो वेरी सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल. और मैं तो क्लोजली उसका साथ क्लोजली 2 डेज हम वो मिनिस्टर इलेक्टेड होने के बाद काफ़ी क्लोजली हमने उसको देखा कि बहुत सिंपल और एकदम बहुत माइडर हार्टेड, माना अच्छा आदमी रहा ब्रावे. तो इसलिए आज का दिन में हम सोचता है कि हम लोग समझता है कि स्वर्गीय हम सबको पूरा हम लोग का साथ अच्छा काम में नोबल कोज में वो आशीर्वाद देते रहे. और आज भी मिस करता है कि और उन्होंने जिस हिसाब से जो सोचा, जो विजन रखा, उस डेवलपमेंट को, प्रदेश का डेवलपमेंट के लिए, सोसाइटी और समाज का डेवलपमेंट के लिए उसको प्रेरणा लेकर हम लोग भी काम करने का इच्छा रखते हैं. दोस्त, ही वॉज द फर्स्ट IPR एंड टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर. और टूरिज्म भी उनके स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेयर्स आज हम ऑनरेबल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री पेमा खांडू साहब के नेतृत्व में जो आज हम स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेयर्स डिपार्टमेंट को हम देगा. एंड दोज डेज ही वाज द फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर और IPR और उसके साथ रहा. उसके बाद वो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम 3 टाइम्स कंसेक्यूटिवली वो इलेक्टेड हुआ. तो इसलिए उसका प्रेरणा को लेके, उसका विचारधारा को लेके, एग्जाम्पलरी को लेके हम इस समाज और इस सोसाइटी और इस देश और प्रदेश के लिए हम काम करने के लिए हम लोग का इच्छा और उसका सोच विचार, अच्छा सोच विचार एग्जाम्पल को लेकर काम करना मांगता है। आज का दिन में, आज ही का दिन उसका देहांत हुआ, इसलिए वी मिस, और हम लोग इसलिए आज श्रद्धांजलि यहाँ में ट्रिब्यूट करने के लिए उसको होमेज पे करने के लिए आया। और हमारा यहाँ का DN कॉलेज का प्रिंसिपल और यहाँ का सभी लोग यहाँ साथ में है, और उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आप सबको धन्यवाद। और विश्वास रखता हूँ कि उसका आशीर्वाद, और अभी तो उसका नाम वो सोचता है कि वो जिंदगी अभी भी जिंदा है, अभी भी वो जिंदा है, हम लोग का साथ में इस टाइप का हम सोचते हैं। तो इसलिए बहुत